response to my student with love. Good day. I'm Max. One of my friends told me about Sir Dylan's confession last month. She really kept on telling me to read it. She even gave me the link. I guess she was forcing me to spend time to read it for some personal reasons. Just last night, since I had a little time, I opened the link. When I was reading the very long confession, there was really something in me, especially when I read the line, "I'm sorry if fate brought us together with sadness." Those were the words that I said to him the night when we met at Arresto. I just want to clarify some information because when I read some of the comments, some are confused. I need to consider his feelings while typing it. It was not 2 years after we broke up when I became a teacher. When I was assigned in the school where he was also assigned, it was 4 years after our relationship ended. I was assigned at the middle of the school year for I encountered some difficulties in my exit clearance. I worked in a BPO company after graduation. At that time, the school needed an English teacher. Even if I am not an English major, I got English subjects in my teaching load aside from math. We all know that DOST scholars are prioritized by the government. So that's it. I hope everything's clear. Sir Dylan was a very caring and loving boyfriend. He really supported me in all of my dreams. We even had dreams for our future, like our ideal family house, car, kids, business, and others. I thought everything would turn into reality. I really tried my best to fight for our love. It just happened that I was so busy in my studies and thinking all his mother had told me. I was so busy proving myself to be the deserving woman for her son. She confronted me with all the negative words she could say to me. Meanwhile, Paul was also busy comforting me. When I told Paul all what happened, I also cried. I always cried because Sir Dylan was my dream guy. He was my daily energizer. He was the reason why I did good in my studies. I could still remember the first time we met, the day when I became his girlfriend, and the day when I said goodbye. Sir Dylan, it wasn't your fault. It's mine, sir. I let your mother ruin our love story. I could have persevered enough to continue using your mother's negative comments about me as my motivation. But I tried, sir. Never did I expect that while I was busy proving myself, my world jumped into another planet's orbit and started to build another. I can't say all of these words to you even if we always see each other in school. If I will, I'm pretty sure that the conversation will turn into a moment of silence, for I would probably cry and hug you. Yeah, I am engaged, but I couldn't deny the fact that I miss you badly. I could still remember how you treated me as your princess. Sir Dylan, I need to use FB to say these words to you. Thank you for everything. You will always be remembered. You don't have to worry, for I don't have any hatred feeling towards your mom. I respect and salute her for guiding and teaching you how to be a good son. I'm sorry if we won't be able to fulfill our dreams, Sir Dylan. I'm very sorry if I was insensitive in requesting you to sing on my wedding day. I, personally, am taking it back. Thank you for letting me experience a roller coaster type of relationship. You and your mother made me a strong woman, sir. There is a saying that goes, first love never dies. I strongly believe in that. Maybe you don't know this yet. You're my first love, sir. I need to admit this that I love you, but I love my fiancé more. I will always be praying for you to find your new ideal woman who will be with you to fulfill your dreams. Kudos, Sir Dylan. You will stay forever in my heart. Fighting. Your first girlfriend, Max.